Okay, I'm in a home right now, and look, Дружок, say hi. Mm, Дружок. Hey. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Come, дружок. Today I came back to my homeland, and yeah, uh, I am in the forest right now, and try to find some mushrooms, and yeah, I would like to show you the beautiful landscape here with a lot of trees, a lot of leaves. Unfortunately, right now it's you know, coming the rain, and I'm not sure that I will be able to find something that looks like the mushrooms. But it's, for me it doesn't matter, because for me it is great opportunity to go to the forest, to be a little bit closer to the nature. Right now we have a lot of flowers of wild berries, right? I'm not sure how it's pronounced in English, but in Russia it's like a земляnika, and it will be ready in I guess in 2 weeks. It will be like berries. I'm gonna to come back here in the 2 months or in 2 weeks and try to collect all of these berries, because I like jam with wild berries, right? Yeah, it's a beautiful, beautiful place. Okay, after half an hour I've collect a little bit mushrooms. Let me show you. This is a mushroom, right? And I collect about 1 kilograms mushrooms, right? And today I will have the great meals with mushrooms, without this is mosquitoes. Oh, so noisy, right? Yeah, because of the upcoming rain, look, I have to stop the collect, stop collect all of the mushrooms, and now I'm going to come back to my home. Okay, today it was the short version of my vlogs, but anyway, thank you for watching me. Please subscribe to my channel, and yeah, waiting for new videos. Thank you and goodbye.